Who would have thought that, in just a few seconds, a horrifying collision would happen right on a busy road? Images from security cameras recorded the entire incident, making viewers shudder. What caused the tree to collapse so suddenly? It's scary. Giant gas cylinders are moving on the slippery, rainy road. Suddenly collapsed on the road, causing a huge disaster. An unexpected incident happened on a street in Korea. The truck carrying water suddenly had glass containers thrown onto the road while making a sharp turn. Take a car, but like to breathe fresh air. God, at that moment my heart skipped a beat as I watched the moving tractor collide with the car on the side of the road. It's a pity I couldn't get there in time to witness the recent incident. Due to one person's carelessness, this trip was considered abandoned. The path now remains only for him. He should get his driver's license back. The snow-covered road has become much more difficult to navigate. Work becomes as simple as eating breakfast every day. Please comment number 1 to let me know you're still following me. It was clear that he was the driver, but was being captivated by another person's attraction. He's being driven in a way that doesn't know who to trust. Why don't you turn on the sign when asking for directions? This can be one of the biggest mistakes new drivers make. An entire shipment is considered abandoned today. The truck became a strange masterpiece that many people noticed. The driver did not realize the severity of the unexpected situations. Stone is competing with iron. Luckily, he quickly stepped on the brake. A new weightlifting game on the construction site. It's so simple for me. The flying dust turned the whole hill dark red. Nothing bothered him anymore, but an unexpected incident happened. I worry about anything difficult. Even though the lifting machine is very heavy compared to the strength of the lifting machine, it still tries its best to complete it. The general situation of everyone in the truck industry. Click the subscribe button if you like my situations, like otherwise. It would be unintentional if there was a bustling stream of people moving below. The construction site becomes an amusement park. More than 100 wheels are rolling under the concrete block. You must understand that not only the excavator is good, but also the people who drive the vehicle are very talented. Congratulations to the experts who successfully reached shore safely. Having passed this mountain, he received a great reward. The unexpected situation happened, and he couldn't avoid it in time. While moving on the road, he suddenly lost control, and the high-powered excavator tumbled under the fast-flowing river. While moving, the music is so good. Next time, remember to fasten your seatbelt before moving, my friend. Too scary. The long crane machine seemed to be swallowed by a puddle of mud. With his strength alone, he can defeat it. A wonderful invention. Its destruction was terrible. The coach didn't arrive in time. He tried his best to wait until now. Difficulties are pressing on his shoulders. A tractor-trailer container carrying a giant block of wood moves up a dangerous high pass. The difficult path is the most beautiful path, right? It's scary that if that shaft breaks down, disaster will strike. The two cranes were still helpless with the gasoline tanker. Wow, it's like a giant monster moving on the side of the pass. The curves can't make it difficult for you. A kitten is trying to struggle in the mud. The slope seemed to be pulling him down. Extremely beautiful somersault. The contribution is not small. Oh my God, it's like a giant underground monster. He destroyed the last route home. People become small in their world. Every move is a miracle. Oh my God! Do you see this? Continuous showers turn the road into a slippery quagmire. The driver, like a hero in the middle of a storm, is trying his best to overcome the dangerous slope. Every moment that passes is like testing the endurance of the heart. Just one small mistake can overturn the whole car. The wheels spun, the engine roared and pushed at full power, creating thick clouds of smoke that mixed with the rain. The whole scene was like a life and death battle between humans and nature, with the driver determined to fight to the end. The small car was as small as an ant in the middle of a fierce whirlpool. Every time the wheel rolled over sharp rocks, the whole car shook violently. The driver tightened his grip on the steering wheel, his face tense, his eyes following each fierce wave. Despite everyone's advice, he was still determined to cross this river as a risky confrontation with nature. Is it exercising? Oh, my friend, I'm having a hard time. The giant excavator, with its long crane, moved lazily on the steep mountainside. The crawler wheel rotates slowly, trying to grip the soft soil, but still cannot create a solid grip. Every step it took shook the ground, causing loose rocks to shake. Dangerous situations occur at construction sites. Cars move recklessly, leaving serious consequences. Let's see how they will handle it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like our videos. Comment number 1 with the opposite. The image is very sad. The long vehicle moving on the side of the pass tilted. The truck trunk full of wood had difficulty moving. It will flip at any time if you're careless. A long container truck carrying a lot of wood on its trunk moved down the mountain. The winding road is difficult to navigate. The car emitted black smoke using all its engine power. Do you think something bad will happen to the driver and the car? The excavator's hair was shaggy, like a giant monster, roaring, grabbing every piece of hill land. With each scoop, a huge piece of soil is separated and ulcerated. Under the fierce sun, the driver's sweat was like rain. His eyes followed every movement of the crane with extreme tension. Everyone around held their breath, fearing that a sudden landslide might occur, sweeping both the excavator and the driver into the abyss. The car was smoking in the rain. Oh no. His steering is so bad. The situation is difficult. He is washing his car. Have you ever seen a snowmobile before? Today, its rink is a terrible muddy road. The Hyundai HD72 truck, carrying a tonnage of 15 tons, is struggling to overcome the muddy road. The four wheels of this 8x4 truck spin wildly, splashing mud and dirt. The 6.7 Cummins ISB engine roared, trying its best to pull the car out of the mud. The chassis groaned under the weight of both the car and the cargo, and tiny cracks appeared on the silver paint. The whole car seemed to be struggling in desperation, waiting for some miracle to escape the quagmire. The bulldozer is trying its best to flatten the pile of soil. Each heavy step on the muddy ground made it much slower. The car suddenly lost control. The car is heavily overloaded. It's too dangerous. With a tonnage of tens of tons, the double UEG transformer transport machine moves slowly and carefully, requiring precise coordination from a team of technicians to ensure the safety of the transportation process. An extremely new invention, Sikorsky has just officially delivered the 7th CH-53K King Stallion heavy transport helicopter to the U.S. Marine Corps. With the ability to lift huge cargo loads and advanced aviation technology, the CH-53K promises to be a new warhorse, significantly improving the transportation and force deployment capacity of the U.S. military. Wow, look at every sharp saw blade going deep into the ground. Every time he stepped on the accelerator, everything seemed to melt into a roar. Looking at how it works, you can guess its use, right? This Sany container forklift, manufactured in 2013, is a specialized device for lifting and moving containers in seaports and warehouses. With low operating hours, the car is still very new and operates stably. The vehicle is equipped with a powerful hydraulic system to help lift and lower containers easily and accurately. Wow, he is the boss of this game. This stage is yours. The machine moves so fast. Everything that happened made viewers panic. Oh boy, the Steyr SGF 1300 trench cutter is facing a big challenge when it comes to cutting through hard rock. Although designed to handle a variety of terrain, cutting through hard rock can shorten blade life and increase strain on the engine. Unexpected situations of trucks moving on the road. It's surprising if you don't witness them. Leaning is dangerous on the road. The Liber HS 832 HD crawler crane is mining stone at Grand Company. With a powerful diesel engine, advanced hydraulic system, and long crane, it can lift objects weighing up to tens of tons. Flexible design helps HS 832 HD operate effectively in harsh conditions and difficult terrain, suitable for large quarries. You see, the pinnacle of mechanical engineering. Two crawler cranes, Liber HS 882 HD and HS 853 HD, are working together. Both are big men in the construction industry, specializing in digging soil, shoveling sand, and other materials. With a special design, the crane can extend the crane and bucket far away, then dig deep into the ground. At the same time, they can also rotate 360 degrees to move materials to the desired position. Comment number 1 if you like this machine. ELHOS-CORP-IO agricultural machines are modern equipment specializing in harvesting tumors, such as potatoes and radishes. It works by digging deep into the ground, separating the tumors from the soil, and putting them on a conveyor belt for sorting and bagging. With a compact and flexible design, ELHOS-CORP-IO can operate effectively on many types of terrain, helping farmers save time and effort during the harvesting process. Based on advanced technology, the machine can be a new product, produced in recent years to meet the needs of modernization in agriculture. I was surprised while moving on the road when I saw it. Milling machine, or road grinding machine, is a specialized device used to plan and grind old asphalt concrete on the road surface. With a rotating shaft equipped with hundreds of sharp cutting knives, the machine is capable of scraping off old plastic quickly and accurately. The 300 horsepower motor helps the machine operate effectively, eroding old plastic to a depth of up to 30 cm. The outstanding advantage of the machine is to increase the life of the pavement, creating a flat and smooth surface, ideal for applying new plastic layers, ensuring quality and durability for the project. The Jarcrack EvoPro is a modern logging machine that operates on rails to reduce its impact on the environment. With a powerful hydraulic system and 450 horsepower engine, the machine easily lifts and pulls heavy logs. Equipped with cranes, wooden clamps, and sturdy chassis, EvoPro ensures a safe and efficient mining process. Smart design helps the machine move flexibly on complex terrain, improve productivity, and protect forests. The Unimog vehicle's perfect design, Flexibility and powerful drive system make it the ideal tool for trimming and maintaining road embankments. Equipped with specialized tools, the vehicle easily removes weeds, shrubs, and obstructions, helping to ensure good drainage and prevent flooding and landslides. However, when working on complex terrain or harsh weather, Unimog requires high skills from the operator. Luckily, this trip was successful. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our videos. It's scary how each tooth of the trench digging machine T-1055 Commander is slowly tearing the land in half. The engine roared like a big wolf looking for its pack. Australia's FAESTC SSL Stone Crusher is a powerful piece of equipment that specializes in crushing hard rock into particles of uniform size, meeting many construction needs. Advantages of the machine include high working efficiency, outstanding durability, and ease of operation. However, the machine is large in size, requires a spacious working space, and has a high initial investment cost, making it more suitable for large projects. Oh my God! The jagged marks the car left on the road. The chain tooth seemed to be calling for help in vain. It rotates and friction on the stone floor causes dust to fly. The logging truck moved quickly on a snow-covered road. Everything was really too difficult for him. The snow had obscured his vision. He was disoriented while moving. They seemed to be playing chase with each other. It's difficult for the driver in the current situation. The perfect combination has created the bogged 655E, which is a specialized excavator designed for sand and gravel mining in open-pit mines. With a long crane and large bucket, the machine can easily dig deep into rock layers to exploit materials. This machine is manufactured by Bogged, a famous German construction machinery brand. With its durable design and high performance, the bogged 655E has become a popular choice in the mining industry worldwide. Great. Form Clipper 2021 is a modern Christmas tree pruner. With a compact and flexible design, the machine can easily move between rows of trees, helping to prune branches and leaves quickly and accurately. The woodpicker roared through the forest, its strong iron arms stretched out, zigzag, looking for precious wood trunks. Suddenly, the ground under the tripod shook violently. The giant machine tilted, then slowly sank into a deep mud hole. The engine roared loudly, signaling that a serious incident had occurred. Wow, giant machine. Wherever it goes, dust covers the whole road. The wheels are like a bird struggling when caught in a trap. The agricultural machine is trying to work in the field. It would be surprising if I could use it. Have you heard about the first modern John Deere 9R X640C drill in France in operation? The machine is designed to sow seeds on large areas, with high performance and excellent precision. With an advanced seed distribution system, the machine can sow seeds regularly and at the right depth, ensuring a high germination rate. This machine is manufactured by John Deere, one of the world's leading agricultural machinery manufacturers. DSR-4. Superman picks up rocks in a country of billions of people. Looking at this DSR-4 machine, it looks like a giant robot cleaning the backyard for God. With extraordinary strength, it freely handles huge rocks as if they were just small pebbles. What a great helper for Chinese farmers. The giant agricultural machine, weighing 10 tons and 5 meters long, with a 150 horsepower engine and a 2.5 meter wide blade, can harvest 10 tons of potatoes per hour. Operated by an experienced driver, the machine cuts and plucks the potatoes, transferring them onto a conveyor belt into containers, making harvesting quicker and safer. Wow, it's great that woodpickers are moving and working on the construction site. The sharp blades are trying their best to cut each piece of wood into small pieces to put into operation. If he is still here, the consequences will be very serious. Do you know what machine this is? If you know, please comment below for us. Don't forget to click the like button so we have more motivation to produce more videos.
I got a high def. I'm doing a high def video.
On a narrow village road, a giant Mammoet container truck is moving slowly. On the roof of the car, a giant cylindrical iron block is firmly fixed. With a weight of tens of tons, the car moves little by little, overcoming sharp turns and small bridges. This scene attracted the attention of local people. Surprisingly, a line of specialized trucks is an important tool in transporting heavy goods, but their large size of about 100 tons and heavy load can be dangerous on the road, easily causing accidents if not properly controlled. Control carefully. The work becomes simpler thanks to the industrial tree bark peeling machine. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment number 1 with the opposite. Look at the sharp teeth piercing deep into the ground. This giant tunneling machine is a powerful and effective tool in the construction of tunnels and tunnels. With sharp cutting blades and powerful motor, it can easily penetrate hard layers of soil and rock. The chisel is working hard on the construction site. Each drill bit stabs straight into the ground, creating a heartbreaking sound. A machine that cannot be missed in the home building process. Trenchers are often used to install pipes, electrical cables, or other infrastructure underground. It works by using a series of continuously rotating saw teeth to cut and remove soil. The GEA XEK60 compact drilling machine is a modern construction equipment designed to drill deep boreholes and create reinforced concrete piles to reinforce foundations. The machine operates on the principle of rotary drilling, using a specialized drill to create a hole, then injecting concrete to form a pile. However, it also has certain limitations. Wood-Miser LT40 is a stationary wood saw manufactured by Wood-Miser in Europe. The machine is designed to saw wood into boards of different thickness and width. With a compact and flexible design. However, one of the limitations of the machine is that its capacity is relatively small compared to large industrial saws. So it is not suitable for sawing too large wooden blocks. It's terrible. The crane is using its sharp claws to destroy piles of iron on the construction site. Look at the mouth like a crocodile eating its prey. Sharp blades crush concrete and metal, turning them into small pieces. Large pieces of wall and steel frame collapsed under the power of this machine, making the demolition process quick and effective. Wow, the car was spraying water fiercely on the road. Luckily, thanks to it, the road was less dusty. The work of picking up wood and moving it has become faster thanks to this machine. He can cut the most wood in the forest in a day without breaking a sweat. Wow, I've never seen it on such a large scale. One of the daily jobs of workers that makes everyone who sees it gasp. The large container truck, 12 meters long, 40 tons tonnage, carrying a giant block of iron moves slowly on the road. With a 500 horsepower engine, the car takes up a lot of space and obstructs visibility, making traffic more difficult. What do you see? On the narrow road, a super long truck is transporting a CAT 657 excavator with a 350 horsepower engine and a 4-meter wide excavator blade, weighing 50 tons over dangerous steep passage. Firmly fixed on a specialized vehicle, the journey requires high concentration from the technical team. It's terrible. The crane is using its sharp claws to destroy piles of iron on the construction site. Look at the mouth like a crocodile eating its prey. Sharp blades crush concrete and metal, turning them into small pieces. Large pieces of wall and steel frame collapsed under the power of this machine, making the demolition process quick and effective. It's so unbelievable. The cargo train looks like a giant snake trying to crawl on the tracks. Every step I take, the roar of the whole city is terrifying. Each train carriage is heavy with goods, making the journey more burdensome, but still persistently moving forward, serving the transport of large goods. His hands are shaking because he doesn't know what difficulties there are in that mud. Despite everything, he still tried his best to bring the last load of wood down the mountain. The giant tunneling machine with a 1,000 horsepower engine and sharp cutting blades is capable of penetrating hard rock and soil, creating a 10-meter wide tunnel. Operating continuously, the machine excavates and transports soil via conveyor belts, working effectively in all conditions, including underwater or harsh environments such as deserts. This tool helps increase speed, efficiency, and ensure safety for the construction of large tunnel projects. Oh my God, a land ship, right? I was startled when I accidentally came across it on the street. The tractor combines with a trailer to form a vehicle combination capable of transporting heavy goods. Both brothers are doing the best they can. Breathtaking moments on the road, just in the nick of time, were vividly recorded by the camera. Are you brave enough to watch all these videos? Don't miss any of our episodes to discover more unexpected situations and learn valuable lessons from them.